My name is Mike Forrester. I'm the Director of GNEL National Events. I've today received the judgment from Judge Hegarty QC in relation to my High Court action against Manchester City Council. I have the following statement. This verdict is a vindication of the action I took to defend myself and my company, GNEL National Events, against Manchester City Council that professes to back business enterprises. Their cancellation of my contract to book Platt Fields Park for the 2008 20th anniversary of the late Bob Marley Tribute Festival was unlawful and unjustified. I quote Judge Hegarty QC, "None of the defences raised on behalf of MCC succeeds. In the absence of any substantive defence, the cancellation constituted a clear breach of contract on MCC's part. From the outset, MCC have chosen to block any form of communication when the breach first arose. Then, using taxpayers' money, have fought my every move, not to protect the public purse, as they have alleged, but as a tool to financially ruin me in my efforts to bring justice to MCC's illegal and venal actions within their practice. These actions have not only caused me a great concern, but financially costing me several tens of thousands of pounds, bringing this High Court action. Who now within the City Council will be held accountable for defending this case? Their general attitude is just simply not their money. I say stand and be counted. This case demonstrates the restraints of trade and the conflict of interests that Manchester City Council and Greater Manchester Police have systematically used to frustrate the following genres of music in Manchester: R&B, reggae, soul and hip-hop events from taking place in the city. I sought the help of local Labour MP Tony Lloyd, who claimed he did not support businesses within his own constituency when the enormity of my complaint became realised. For many years in Manchester and the United Kingdom, the British Afro-Caribbean people have traditionally voted for them. My dealings with Tony Lloyd have left me disillusioned and disenfranchised, offering me only rhetoric, all talk with no meaningful action plan. There is an urgent need for a public inquiry, at the very least a commission. In my view, 20 years overdue, by the ministers of this coalition government, responsible for all local councils and police forces to ensure that procedures are fair and transparent, with consequences if they fail in their duty, giving all professional event organisers with minority interests who wish to promote the UK music industry receive a level playing field. I would like to take this opportunity now to thank all of the support shown by my family, business colleagues and my true brethren and sisters. You know who you are. To everyone else, I quote the following: "It is better to live one single day as a lion than 100 days as a sheep." Thank you. I feel vindicated for my actions. Taking on the council, Manchester City Council, one of the biggest, largest councils in the country, was not my feat at all. It was something I didn't even consider to take on board. But given the fact that I'm dealing with their foot soldiers, left me with no option but to sort of seek accountability for failure in transparency. And so I feel vindicated in that action. The judge has seconded that motion, and we move on from here, and let's see whether we can do these events that are being blocked in Manchester. And to be quite honest with you, these events have been blocked for quite a number of years. As far back as I can remember, we're talking 20 years. R&B, hip-hop events, soul, reggae. I don't even know if there's one R&B or reggae dedicated event in Manchester. I don't believe there is one. And I need to ask this question why. I'm a practitioner, and in practice, I can't accept that. So I have to seek to change practice through action research, and that's what I intend to do.